Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Martin for Athava, and today in this short format I will present my Rainmeter skin for desktop personalization. I will present all about the skins and modules that I use and the composition I've made for my perfect workspace. So what is Rainmeter? Basically it's a software that will create a virtual desktop for customization. You will add skins, modules and create your own. You have different skins to manage, add, remove, and get settings. You can create different themes based on your needs. You have a good community that will create some modules. So for metering, I have the basic one for bin. Audio, it's working with Spotify, is very cool to have preview and manage play and skip. So the CPU with basic informations with the percentage with RAM and CPU. Storage, very cool circle. It's visual, it's simple, it's fast. And for battery, of course, for my laptop. You have more details with that. You have disk meters, you can remove the graph, for example. Then a minimalist toolbar here for my applications. It's very simple and visual. It's same principle of Mac desktop. It's very cool to set. But I have same here. I had a lot of things here also. This one was cool. So Avengers, it was the first one with a lot of informations. I just keep this one for shutdown and restore. Well, this one is cool, but now it's native from Spotify. If you want to keep your desktop clear, maybe you want to hide games. So I have here, it's very cool to have settings here. You can have animations. You have a very whole control on what's going on. And for the background, it's screenshot scenes from the indestructible Pixar movie animation. You can download here from my DeviantArt. I really like this movie. It's cool and I like the graphics, the universe. For the most complete skin, I put links here on my DeviantArt. You can download them. So in my NAS, I did a directory with all skins that I saved and different versions. So that was the first one with Iron Man. You have index web here. Directories. It was very cool to have kind of Borderlands FPS interface. I had this notepad here, but I used Notion instead. It was the beginning, I tried things, and here it's really too much. I found an Iron Man skins extended to add more slot for applications. Also this for my NAS directory structure. So I did this one, it's the most complete. Some applications here, my menu interface with metrics. Here's the main Iron Man, small toolbar, my NAS here, and also the games. But I put weather, network, storage, metering. It was the most complete that I've made. And when I moved to my laptop, I just keep it simple with basic informations, applications, and games. And I tried a lot of things to have the complete desktop. Very cool ideas, of course, but I don't need all that. So this one is very clear. Oh yeah, and a sidebar here. You have different bunch of options here with the positions, charge and uncharge. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the presentation and have fun for personalization. Bye.